Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy M23. This version 4GB memory and 64GB Intel memory. In completation we have only Type-C cable, that's all completation, and key for SIM slot. Okay. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side and LED, dark green color. On the front side 6.6 inch, on this side power key with fingerprint scanner and warm keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone. One UI 4.1, Android 12, Knox 3.8. Display TFT 120 Hz Full HD resolution, Full HD Plus resolution. Okay. Geekbench file talk about system information. We have 4GB RAM and 64GB Intel memory, GPU Adreno 619 and CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 750. This octa-core processor, 6 plus 2 cores. Look results, single core and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark result. Okay, close this. And demanding game works good. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level, Diablo Immortal low graphic level, and Real Racing 3 works on the medium graphic level. Okay, camera 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.